Get him.
He's still up?
Not anymore.
Not up now.
I'll get it.
He's smoked.
Yeah.
Nice.
I didn't have time to hardly say anything. That's the one I saw coming.
Oh.
It lit right there. And it just come off the water right then.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Huh. Nice. It's another young greenhead, I think. Here they come. Shoot that one.
Look at the feathers off that boy.
Oh yeah, one of you crushed it right before I shot. Hey Dad, did you shoot that one? Yeah, you got your band. There it is, right there. Big old green head with a band.
The trigger when it was crushed, like that big dust
Uh-huh.
cloud, it was already like,
Oh, nice. Hot damn.
that's so sick.
Hold that thing up. We'll get it on the video there with that. Let me see that band real good. There we go. Nice. Two coming straight.
Hit three.
They all dead? Big old flock of spoonies. It's a big old flock of spoonies.
Yeah, I know, that's what I was like. I can see their bells and when they turned, I was like, oh, get ready, here we go.
Yep. There she is, hand spoony. Whew. Logan's picking up two more over there. Get it when it comes over. Dang, that son of a bitch came over fast. Oh, I think you got him that time. Yep. Nice Drake pintail. What's that?
That's what I thought he was when I first saw him, like just flying around, but I wasn't exactly.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh. Should probably reload. I think I only had one shell in my gun. Yep, I did.